Hi everyone, this video will show you how to create basic shapes and lines in a sketch. To start, we could go to File, New, make a new part, and in this new part, we want to make a new sketch. In the toolbar, we click Sketch, and click Sketch here. We select the plane that we want to extrude on and to make our sketch. So this is the sketch toolbar. You have Smart Dimension, we will explain in another video. The line feature, which basically draws a line from a point to another point, and hitting escape will stop the connected lines drawing. And this is corner rectangle, which we can draw a rectangle from corner to corner, and we can add construction lines, which basically it puts a line across the diagonals. And there's a few functions for different types of rectangles. And this is the circle function, which creates a circle from the center point up to the edge. And as you're creating it, you can see that your radius over here. It'll show you the size, and you want to draw this approximately to what you want your shape to be. And this is a spline feature where you can draw curves, and you can edit these curves later by moving around these handlebars. And this is a straight slot, which isn't used that often, but you basically just draw a line and then click somewhere out of the line, it'll draw the slot around that line. The polygon feature draws polygons of any sides. So let's create a hexagon here. Basically, we click on the center and then click on the edge for all 6 corners of the polygon. This will always create a equal-sided polygon. And the ellipse basically works the same as the circle, which click on 2 points for the width of the ellipse and another point for the height of the ellipse. Next, we have this Phillip function, which you can click on any corners of 2 lines and it would round off that corner with any specified radius. And these blue shaded areas means that you have closed off a sketch, which then can be extruded into 3D shapes.